Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Leman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. This one's a nice one. Deep maroon in color. Got rear DVD. Got leather seats. They're heated steering wheel. Got power sliders on it. Second row buckets, of course. It's a nice car. Extremely reliable. Got backup cameras on it. Backup sensors. Just a nice clean van. Let me show you more. Look at the rear hatch. Floor mats are inside, of course. As you can see, second row buckets. Got the DVD player on it. Got power tailgate. Looking at the sliders. Of course, they got power sliding doors. Stow-N-Go seats. Stow-N-Go third row. Stow-N-Go on the second. There's a look at the video system on it, of course. Got a power driver's seat. They're leather and kind of got a cloth suede insert. You can see the heated seats, heated steering wheel controls. Got 17,000 miles on it. Doesn't smell like smoke. It's a nice one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Leman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me, give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.